Hey Renes Plumbing, my name is Lee Turbianic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I can read minds, and the answer is, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Lee. Please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard and you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of our time. The first thing I want to go over is content. Now, it all has to be unique content, can't be copied from anywhere, or Google will flag your site for plagiarism. You guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google, and you guys have about, I'd say, 100 words max on your homepage, which is hurting you guys in the SEO factors of Google. You want that much content so you can fit these keywords that people are typing into Google trying to find your service each month. But we'll get back to that. On Google's homepage, I just did a normal search for plumbing, Laverne, California, and I seen the top guy in this bottom organic section was Klaus and Sons. So I wanted to see what kind of content his page had. And as you can see, he has some more content than you, so he's beating you in that aspect. He's got maybe 200 words, though. That's not a lot. Like I said, we want to get up to around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage. So, and all this stuff that is highlighted is considered content, and even what's behind pictures, what they're saved at, is considered content too. So let's go back. I'm going to break down Google for you. Google is broke down into 3 sections. This top section is your ads. People pay to be here and can get costly if it's not done effectively. Like I said, sometimes people pay a lot of money per click and they could be bogus clicks and they're just wasting money. And if you're ranking in these other 2 sections, you don't need to be up paying countless amounts of dollars to be up in this section. So I want to touch base on this second section, which is the GMB, the Google My Business section. Now, as you can see, Isaac and Son Pluming Laverne is in the top spot. So I did a quick search in this tool I use called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed across the web in directories such as Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. So, and that dictates your ranking in this GMB section, however many citations you have. That, along with good reviews and pictures added maybe once or twice a week, just staying up to date with your GMB. So I did a search though for Isaac and Sons, who was in first. They have 30 citations. And then I put you guys in, Renes Plumbing Repair, and you have 19. So you're not far behind, and 30 is not a lot. But the best part about this tool is we can go in and see what citations he actually has and go and submit these for your business. All these red dots are submittable. Now these aren't created equally either. This DA is the domain authority, and that's basically the power it transfers. So 100 being the best and 0 being the worst. So as you can see, the best citations are Facebook, Yelp, Bing, Foursquare, and then it starts going down, down, down. Some of these, like these are not some, they might be submittable, but most likely not, but they're not good ones anyway. You want some of these good citations, and we go in and get all these ones that he had because we know it worked for him, so it'll work for you. And then we go and add around 100 or 200 more to swamp the competition. And plus, that's adding your name, address, and phone number in directories, so when people are looking for you, they can find you easier. So that's the GMB section. Now this third section is called the organic section, and this has to deal directly with your website. And a backlink is what ranks you in this section. Backlink is any other website that refers back to your website. I know you've seen it somewhere, probably on a website where there's like blue hyperlink and you click it and it'll take you to another website. Well, that's considered a backlink, and that's one website basically giving that other website a vote saying, yes, I'll send my traffic from me to him because I know he's a reputable website. So Google loves that and eats backlinks up. The more you have, the better. But those aren't created equal either, and we're going to get into that. So I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and this will give me a basic overview of your website and your competitor's website. So I put you guys in Renes Plumbing 1, and this UR and DR is your rank numbers. So this is your overall strength of your profile, and this is your backlink profile strength. So we want these numbers to be as close as possible, like 29, 29, 30, 31. You know, they call that the golden ratio rule. So, and as you can see, you guys have 54 backlinks coming from 26 referring domains. That means 26 websites are giving you a total of 54 backlinks. You're ranking for 100 keywords, but you're only getting 19 traffic. And we're going to get into that because it's because of your content and your keywords, and you have low backlinks as well too. So I used the Klaus and Sons name up here to see what their stats are. And this is just a location page for Laverne. Klaus and Sons main service page, they must be like a franchise business or something like that, because their main page numbers are very strong, and it's transferring power to these little location pages. As you can see, he has a very high and strong backlink profile, but he only has one referring domain and one backlink on this page, but it's transferring power from his main page. And I can show you an example of that. So let's take out this Laverne page and just use his exact page and see what the numbers are. So there we go. See, this is his main page, 35 and 39, 706 backlinks with 131 referring domains, and he's ranking for 154 keywords, bringing in 150 traffic. So that's just a little thing I wanted to show you, but these pages are easy to beat as long as we do it right and add very powerful backlinks to your website. Now, as you can see, you do have some backlinks, but we want a lot more than that. And this will show us down here how strong your backlinks are. See this rating URL rating distribution? You have 0 to 10. You have 43 backlinks that are in the 0 to 10. So 90% of your backlinks aren't very good. So we want to get some up in here, and that's going to transfer a lot of power, and you're going to see a lot of change in your ranking from that. But the good part about this is we can go back over to here, and we'll go back into his main page and see what kind of backlinks he actually has, and we can go and do the same thing as we did with the citations and submit for yours. We know what's working for him, it'll work for you. So these are all his backlink referring domains. So we can go in and submit all the stronger ones we want that have a lot of traffic. 77 DR. Like I said, these aren't created equal either. This DR is the domain rating, so it goes from 0 to 100 again, 0 being the worst. So we want to get all these good, strong ones and apply for your business to get a backlink from them, same way that they did. So, and as far as the keywords, these are the keywords that we want throughout your content. Now you have these keywords, but you're not ranking for them, and that's because of your backlinks. So as you can see, Claremont Plumbing, 200 searches a month for that, and it's a 0 KD. Now this is the volume, however many times this keyword's being searched, and this is the KD, the keyword difficulty, which 0 is the easiest to rank for, and 100 being the hardest. So there's not many sites that are trying to rank for that. But you're in the 19th position. That's the second page. So no one goes to the second page. They either go to the GMB or they go to that top couple spots in the organic section. So you got Plumbing Upland 101, Rene's Repair. That's a specific search. Plumber Laverne 150 and 0. Plumber in Laverne 50 and 0. Plumber in Diamond Bar 100 and 0. Plumber Drew. There's so many searches for around your area that if you were to put some power, you would see a drastic improvement in your traffic coming to your website, resulting in more business for you guys. So let's go back and do an overview of what we went over. First thing we talked about was content. We need to get 1,500 words of content on this home page so we can fit those keywords that we went over throughout. You need to put one of these per every 100 words so you don't get stuck for keyword stuffing. So that was content. The second thing was citations. Citations are what ranks you in this GMB. You want to have about 200, 300 to beat out the competition by a landslide, plus to get your name out there more for people to find you when they're trying to look for your services. And the third thing was link juice, which is what dictate the backlinks or what dictate your ranking down here. And you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a great day.